HHM Oilfield Sub-Arc AGW. Other side. Welding at the same time. Look at that baby peel. Flux boxes on top of the hood, 100% vacuum, 100% drop all the time. A full box should last you most of the day, depending on how much flux you are depositing. No banging needed on the box. Customers have said, fill it up in the morning, fill it up the next morning. Well, it's perfect all day. HHM, Oilfield Machinery and Automation, AGW, Light Weight. We are the originators of the 24-foot AGWs and vert buggies to weld the double wall plates, the two plates on top of each other. 12 foot and 12 foot. And this is our short, normal size, 4 foot all the way up to 10 foot, 12 foot special order.